Hey ladies! Today, we're diving into easy, hydrating, DIY face masks that will make your skin as soft as a marshmallow in hot cocoa. So let's save your face and your pride. The classic avocado mask. For this you need half a ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Why it works? Avocado, packed with natural oils and vitamins to restore moisture. Honey, a natural humectant that locks in hydration. Olive oil adds an extra boost of nourishment. Mash the avocado until it's lump-free. Stir in honey and olive oil until well mixed. Apply evenly on your face and leave it for 15-20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. The oatmeal and yogurt mask. For this you need 2 tablespoon oats, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey. Why it works? Oats soothes irritation and reduces dryness. Yogurt contains lactic acid for gentle exfoliation and hydration. Honey, your MVP for locking in moisture. Blend oats into a fine powder. Mix in yogurt and honey until you get a creamy consistency. Spread it on your face and relax for 15 minutes. Wash off with cool water and pat dry. The banana and aloe vera mask. For this you need half a banana, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, a few drops of lemon juice. Why it works? Banana deeply hydrates and nourishes. Aloe vera soothes and repairs dry, cracked skin. Lemon adds a touch of vitamin C, but skip if you have sensitive skin. Mash the banana until smooth. Mix in aloe vera gel and lemon juice. Apply to your face and leave it for 10-15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. The Cocoa Dream Mask. For this you need 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons milk, 1 teaspoon honey. Why it works? Cocoa powder, full of antioxidants to protect your skin. Milk hydrates and softens. Honey keeps the moisture locked in. Mix cocoa powder with milk until it forms a paste. Add honey and stir well. Apply to your face and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse off and admire your glow. The Cucumber and Aloe Gel Mask. For this you need half a cucumber, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Why it works? Cucumber instantly cools and hydrates. Aloe vera gel repairs and rejuvenates. Blend cucumber until it's liquid. Strain to remove pulp and mix with aloe vera gel. Apply a generous layer to your face and relax for 20 minutes. Wash off and feel refreshed. And there you have it. 5 simple, hydrating face masks to rescue your skin. Let me know which mask is your favorite in the comments.